Hi friends, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel Finvest Talks. Investment for a better tomorrow. Let's start with a simple question. Who can take care of your money better than yourself? Stay tuned for finding out the interesting answer. Also, we will be discussing about financial literacy, money management, that is nothing but personal finance. Why personal finance is so important? Whether personal finance is really required? Why it has been neglected by most of us for so long? When is the best time to start and how to start? So stay tuned for a life changing session on personal finance. Welcome back to Finvest Talks. And we'll be starting with basics on personal finance every week, which is required for a common man to understand money management. My passion is the stock market, and I have been in the stock market since 2006. Here I'll be sharing all the mistakes and learnings which I have gone through for the last 15 years. I am planning to start a systematic series on the basics of stock market, which will be posted on all Fridays as Friday Basics. My sincere effort will be to make stock market easy for all. So don't forget to follow my Friday Basics. And also remember to make your notes, which will help you to understand better. Let's begin. Financial system is the backbone of any country. If you see the financial literacy of India, we are the lowest among the emerging markets such as China, Brazil, South Africa, and well below the developed markets such as US, UK, Germany. So the ultimate aim is to improve the financial awareness for all so as to improve the financial literacy from 22% to more than 33%, which is the global average. My motivation is to create financial awareness for all and to make them financially independent and handholding for those who are beginners. By sharing, we will learn more and knowledge becomes more powerful. The main focus is working professionals who are into early part of their career. The reason being, they can save a good part of their income as their commitments are comparatively less. They can create wonders in wealth creation due to time compounding effect. We will be discussing about Einstein's eighth wonder of the world, compounding, in our upcoming videos. So please subscribe not to miss the notifications. Other groups being those who wish to generate passive income out of their investments. The next focus is on our future generations. They are the backbone of our country, the college school students. As in our present education system, no one talks about money. I strongly feel at least money management should be a part of our basic curriculum, which will help to mold their financial future. The third focus group is the homemakers, where they can take out some time from their busy schedule to do some meaningful investments, and also for senior citizens to protect their hard earned money to utilize wisely for their well being. One of your main expectations out of this is knowledge. The more you learn, the more you earn. The main takeaways will be financial and investment awareness and also make investing simple and accessible to all. This will also help you in creating wealth over a long period as a community. By achieving this, you can have a good financial life. Life is good when you have a strong financial plan. You need not to worry about your child's education or fulfilling your want because you are rightly invested and insured properly with sufficient retirement plans. Now let's talk about financial literacy and money management. Financial literacy is the education and understanding of various financial topics such as personal finance, money management, investing, borrowing, etc. Whereas personal finance refers to the process of managing your own hard earned money. Personal finance is all about savings and investing, meeting financial goals such as short term goals, long term goals, savings for retirement, child's education, and so on. We will have a detailed look into various vicious cycles of personal finance in our upcoming videos. Is personal finance really required? Definitely yes. It helps us in managing our hard earned money in the best possible way. It also helps us in creating wealth for peaceful retirement. It is an important factor for fulfilling our wants and also helps in attaining financial freedom as early as possible. Will you be part of 1% to be financially independent by 50? Definitely yes. Why personal finance is being neglected? The common reasons are work pressure or no time. We are in the world of typical rat race cycle of 9 to 5 job, wherein we start with daily morning, work till night, have dinner, go to bed, and wake up early morning, and cycle continues. The next reason being it's not my cup of tea. Other frequent response is we are not good at maths. Some feels I don't have discipline. Believe me friends, it's not a rocket science. Anybody can learn. It's so simple and basic knowledge of maths is sufficient. The only thing required is CCD: commitment, courage, and discipline. Let's learn everything about personal finance as a community. When is the best time to start personal finance or investments? The best answer you could get is right now. Don't wait, else you will lose out the time advantage in compounding. The sooner you start, the better. But it's never too late to create financial goals to give yourself and your family financial security and freedom. The effect of time compounding will create wonders in generating wealth. This will also help in attaining financial freedom early. You can clearly understand the difference of time compounding from the situation mentioned. Raju started investing 5,000 per month at the age of 25, whereas Harry, his friend, started investing 3 times what Raju invested, that is 15,000 rupees per month at the age of 45. Both stayed invested till the age of 60. Assuming both are getting same return, can you guess how much corpus Raju has generated? A whopping 1.2 crore rupees, whereas Hari only able to manage 52 lakhs. This is the effect of time compounding. We will go into details of SAP and compounding in upcoming videos. Now the big question is how to start the financial journey. Only option is to start learning yourself. You are the best person to take care of your money. No one else will be so serious about your money. For self-learning, you need not to join for costly webinars or training. You can learn everything without spending too much. Everything is available around you. You can gain knowledge from business newspapers, business magazines. There are a lot of financial books available, and also in online portals like Udemy, Coursera, EDX, lot of good content are available. Also, one of the main source of knowledge nowadays is YouTube video. Only thing is you have to choose the right one. If you see the content growth in social media such as YouTube and Facebook, the maximum growth is for business finance related topics. So that means for us, lot of contents are available in YouTube. So make use of that. Please tune in for a detailed video on personal finance next week, which start with vicious cycle of personal finance, wherein we cover the money flow starting from income to budget to savings and lot more. Please comment below the topics which you wish to see in future so that I can definitely include in my videos. Please like it if you like the video. My sincere effort was to put good contents for learning. Kindly comment for any improvement so that I can implement in future. Thanks for watching and have a good day.